You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all this very curious word correctly and clarify the pronunciation if you want to learn more pronunciations, including from biology. Stay tuned. Pronounced in English, Mosaicism. So you're going to have two slightly different pronunciations for the first syllable. Some may say mo or m. Generally mo. Mosaicism. How to pronounce Mosaicism. Mosaicism. You can say also Mosaicism. It's easy once you know, and now, guess what? You know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.